Hey guys, it's Tony. Good morning. I just wanted to do a quick update, a quick TA update on SHIBA. We did drop, like I told you guys yesterday. We actually kept dropping. We wicked down on the daily. So let's go back to the daily. You actually wicked down to that low 25 mark. I am still, I don't know when it was, like back here somewhere, but we threw a huge wick and we started trickling down slowly. And I do think as of right now that we found I don't want to say a floor because we're at 24.94. So we're still on range of that 25 microcent mark. But, if we start closing candles under this, we're going to see an easy drop down to about 20 microcents. What I'm looking for right now is we're essentially going to be looking at a perfect buy entry pretty soon right now with the stochastic being oversold, and then also the 4 hour up here getting ready to open up or close on a bull trigger for the 4 hour. So what I'm looking at right now is a reversal from that 25 microcents, right? That's essentially what I'm kind of looking for right now. We're still on a pretty heavy downtrend from our bear trigger back on October 2nd. We did rally and push up to that 30-cent mark up here, and then we just kind of came down, right? So keep in mind the daily is still bearish and it's increasingly bearish. So I wouldn't be surprised if we actually keep dropping to the 20 microcent mark, unfortunately, right? Like I hate that I have to, relay this news to you guys, but TA wise, it does not look good. We need to have the 4 hour close bullish. We need to have that rally on the 4 hour in order for us to actually move to the upside. But if I was just looking at this on the daily, I would 100% think that we're going to go down to around 20 microcents. That's what I would think. But again, the 4 hour does look like it's going to be closing a fully, essentially a perfect, buy-in entry, right? Where we have the reverse MACD above the 0, create that bull trigger, and then we have the stoke, on oversold levels. So keep in mind, I do want to see the 4 hour push extremely hard. But if we do not see that 4 hour push hard, or if we actually start creating heavier sell-offs on the 4 hour, I think we're gonna continue the trend down on Shiba Inu if we don't bounce from here. I can easily see us going back to around 20 microcents, 100%. So I'll see you guys later. Just wanted to do a quick update. There has to be a bounce from here, right? If there is no bounce and the 4 hour does nothing on the bullish close, maybe in the next 4, 8, 12 hours or so, we can definitely see a further drop down to 20 microcents. As of right now, I'm not biased on any direction. I'm actually just waiting for that 4 hour bullish trigger to happen. After that bull trigger happens and we don't move up hard, I think for the most part, if the daily is still in bear territory, I think we're going to drop to around 20 microcents. So I'll see you guys later. Fingers crossed that we don't drop from here, but the daily isn't looking good. We're still in that bear cycle. And if the 4 hour bull close doesn't do anything and we don't rally to the upside, then, I can see us going down to 20 microcents. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.